Hello YouTube, Anonymous Stacker here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing if you guys find value in my content. Alright guys, today I want to talk about 5 pros and cons of buying physical silver. Alright, so to remain unbiased in this video, I have decided that I will not make just a random pros and cons video. I will have 5 reasons of buying physical silver, and every one of them will have a pro, and the same would be 5 reasons not to buy physical silver. So let's get started. So let's just do the number one, which is like the most obvious one. Let's just talk about that first, which is holding your physical silver, actually holding your wealth. So the pro in holding your physical silver is that you don't have to rely on banks or any other institutions to actually keep your wealth, and you can have your wealth. And if something like there's a very bad situation, or if there is like something like a currency collapse or something like that happens, you still hold your wealth. But now the con of holding your own wealth is that it could get stolen, it could get damaged in fire, in a flood. You could lose your holdings, and you could actually find a way around it. Then that is if you have like a home insurance, you can let them know beforehand that this is what you're carrying, this is the amount of silver that you have. So the insurance companies can actually give you a premium with that being covered in your insurances. So that's the number one, guys, holding your wealth. The pro is you don't have to rely on anybody, and the con is it could get stolen, or it could get like damaged, and there's nothing that you can do about it if there's a flood, or God forbid if something worse happens. All right, the number two is the price. So the pro of buying physical silver is that the price, it's very cheap. So not everyone can afford to buy an ounce of gold every month. So for a lot of people, it's more easier to invest in silver, and that's the benefit. But what is the disadvantage of being so cheap? The disadvantage is that it comes with a lot of premium. If you were to buy an ounce of gold and an ounce of silver, the percentage is so different in premiums that it's almost like not worth it buying silver in the short term. So that's why I would say that it has a pro and a con. It's cheap, but it carries a lot of premium. All right, so third is aesthetic. These things are beautiful. These silver pieces are amazing. Even like these casted bars are very pretty, and they don't just have the value of silver, they have the aesthetic value. All right, so that is the thing. That is why we're paying a lot of premium, because they're aesthetically pleasing. And the con of it being so aesthetically pleasing is that it could get very addictive, and we could make some financial decisions which are not very healthy. And a lot of people do spend a lot of money, and then they have to sell a lot of their silver in a loss. So that's the third reason, guys. The fourth reason is the value. Okay, so the pro is that it retains value, and it's a good hedge against inflation, and it actually increases in value when the markets are not doing as good, when there is uncertainty in the economy. But that's the pro. So the disadvantage is this is not making any money, guys. The silver, when you hold it, it's not making you any money. It's not giving you any dividends. On the other hand, if you were to invest in like a company or a stock or something like that, there would be some kind of like a return that you would be getting from those companies, and those are the profits for the shareholders. So the price could go up for the silver, but that could happen with the stocks or bonds too. But the stocks and the shares are also giving you dividends back. So that would be number 4. And number 5 reason, guys, is prepping. Now, a lot of people are waiting for an apocalypse or some kind of like a world-ending scenario, an SHTF. In my opinion, it's not really too, it's not too realistic to be expecting such a thing. But there are a lot of people, a lot of preppers, and they are collecting a lot of silver to barter in such a bad conditions in the world. So if there is like a government collapse or an economy collapse, they would actually have some kind of like bartering system, and they would use silver. And mostly they're looking for constitutional or small pieces of silver, like fractional silver. Now, that's the pro. If it ever does happen, a situation like that, they would have some kind of like a wealth in which they can trade it for food and silver. But the con of prepping for with silver is that you cannot eat it. And a lot of people neglect the basic necessities, and they're going after silver. If you want to prep for this kind of scenario, the first thing is buying food and water, and storing that up, and having other basic necessities. So guys, these are the 5 pros and cons in my opinion. Let me know if I missed anything. Let me know if I was wrong, if I was right. What do you agree with me? Where do you disagree with me? I would actually love to know. So hit down in the comment section and let me know what you guys think about what my opinions are. And that's all for today, guys. And one more thing, if you guys sticked around till this, like till the end of the video, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And also, if you're not subscribed yet, do subscribe me, because my analytics show that 80% of my viewers are not subscribed to me. So have a good one, guys. Thank you.